Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about the other tools which we had in Fusion 360. And in the previous videos, we just completed the Rip tool. So in today's video, we are going to complete the Webtool and Emboss tool. Okay, so let's work with the Web tool. And it's saying that it creates a thin feature of an open sketch, which means it is like going to create a sketch inside the hollow space of the part. Here you can see it's also showing the reference with the direction is perpendicular to sketch plane. And in the rib, you can see uh, the rib feature is extruded in direction parallel to the sketch plane. And here it is perpendicular to sketch plane. That is the difference between the rib tool and rub tool, guys. Okay, but seems like they both can work the same. But the difference is this it is parallel and this is perpendicular. Let me show you how does it works. Okay, let's select the web tool. Here I'm using the previous sketch model that we have used, and we already have the sketch, right? So select the sketch profile, and we just need to fill the direction. Here you can see it is defaultly selected up to next, which means it will select up to the next end face of the one of the end face of the part. So if you want, you can also change it by clicking on distance. Like this way, you can also change the direction like this, and you can also change the direction like this. This way, you can create use the web tool in Fusion 360. It's just like a rip, but the difference is a rip will be only enclosed with the surface. If it is the part of the rib comes out of outside of the part, it will expand more. But the web tool, it's not like this. When I went outside, it's not coming out completely. Just like it's coming only to the its width. Okay, that is the difference between how to use the rib tool and web tool in 360. And if you open in the pop-up, you can also observe that we have the rectangle in the previous. It means in the previous video, in the fifth video, explained that these are only worked with the plastic section. Okay, but here we are only worked with the solid section, right? So that is the difference. Okay, here you see, just like that, you can increase, you can like this increase the width using the web tool. Let me show the difference also how does it work. Let's end this. Okay, I'm just going to edit the grip feature. Okay, so as you can see, let's elongate line. See, it is coming over. It's like it's forming like a rectangular spiral to it, but that is not like that. And it is clear settled next. What does to up to next means? It is up to next, and when you click on the distance, it's same like asking like a web feature. So for the difference between them is, guys, that the flip is work parallel to stage, but the web is work with perpendicular to stage. That is the difference. Okay, I hope you might understand how to work with this flip thing, how it is forming setting. Okay, let's edit it and apply the web again. Select the sketch, click on distance. See, both are works like same only because they are pointing the same sketch. But you should remember that there is a difference between them. Okay, let me show you the difference. My system is too much lagging, guys. So it's responding to the system configurations. So you better use in system. Okay, rip. Uh, the rip feature extruded in direction parallel to the sketch plane. The web feature is extruded direction perpendicular to sketch plane. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, let's explain this emboss tool now. Before that, I just want to fill these sharp edges. Let's do that operation now. Select the edge. If you want to select the multiple edges, press Ctrl key and select the other. Now apply the fillet just by using this arrow, or else you can do the dimensions here. Okay. Okay. That is not for me. Okay. Now let's open the emboss tool and do the section. This is like a graph feature which we use in the Onshape class software. It is like a wrapping the text or sketch to the on the surface of the part. Okay, let me show you how this works. Let's, for example, I just want to have a sketch to upload it. Okay, let's self display, self construct. Here you can see the object name. Click on it and drag it forward. This much is in self the plane, select create sketch. Now let's draw some random figure line, like how we can do that. Let's, for example, sorry, I'm just going to write random space, okay? And make sure it covers the, just creating the sketch, objective, especially, click OK. Let's make this profile close. Now finish the sketch. Now how we can apply this is click the emboss tool and this as a sketch profile. So the sketch profile must be closed, guys, or else it will not be seen. It will show the error, okay? And set the faces. I just want to set this face. It is asking the whole face, even though we have different faces, but it's setting the whole face. So you can see it ramped exactly as we expected. And here I can also deboss means it is going to remove the material like this. Emboss means it's going to add the material. That is the difference. And this is tangent time. So work with the profiles and you can, okay. That's the difference. And you can also alignment, which means if you want to change the direction horizontally, vertically, or you can also rotate. And then you can also rotate. That is, you can work with the stool influence the 60 castle. It is in one shape, it is limited to only cylindrical faces or circle faces. But here in Phase 360, you can, it is very flexible for any surfaces as per you want. So it can uh, wrap on the any curved or sharp edges as per you want. Okay, click OK. Let's delete this fillet and let's observe whether it is working. This is what sometimes happens. Okay, now let's show this page. Let's reapply the left for the book list. The being vessel from the stage and the places. Hello, is not able to happening, but with the one stage it is able to happen. See, it is about even happening with the sharp edges, but the alignment is totally different here. You can see in the time change, no showing any difference. Not showing. So here, here like this, you will get a geometrical curves when you perform the emboss for sharp edges. But it might work when you perform the exact geometry in YouTube. Okay, guys, that is about how to work with the web tool and difference between web tool and web tool, and also how to work with the emboss tool in Fusion 360. I hope you might understand how to work with this tool, guys. If you really like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching.